Hey, what's going on? If you are looking to generate $2,000 to $5,000 profits in month, this video is for you. Let me show you one of the store we are currently managing. So let me straight go to the analytics report, and in last 11 days, we have generated over $6,400 in GMV, gross merchandise value. In last month, it's $17,519. In January, $17,342. And let me show you sales for the last whole year in 2024, from January to December. So in 2024, the sales were above $153,000. And yeah, if we are providing done for you services, that means we'll do and manage everything for you and generate a passive income for you. If you are interested in that, feel free to contact me. Have a good day.